Power, precision, control, all elements masterfully crafted into Laifen's newest Swift Hair Dryer. Our motor is second to none, firing at 110,000 rotations per minute, creating a powerful yet effective airflow, cutting hair drying time in half. Our built-in thermosensors and microprocessors allow for instant adjustments, providing you with effortless precision. The static control technology eliminates frizz and dryness, restoring smoothness and shine to your hair. Hair dryers, reinvented by us for you.